Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of an Epson WorkForce WF-4745. Now you can get to this menu through the settings options of your printer and going to supply status, but the quickest way of checking your ink levels is this little drop found at the top of the screen. Just press and you have a visual representation of how much ink your printer thinks it has in the 4 different cartridges used by your printer. You can also see the estimated life of the maintenance box too. Now if you're checking the estimated ink levels based on a print quality issue you're having, it's actually unlikely to be the cartridges themselves. These ink cartridges should always have enough ink within to last as long as the printer thinks it can use them. In fact, you should always hear a little bit of ink sloshing around within, even when your printer says it can no longer use it. So if you've got missing colours or striped prints, something of that nature, it's really unlikely to be the cartridges. I would recommend checking out our videos on nozzle check patterns and cleaning cycles as a way of resolving those issues you're having. But thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. Let me know with a like if it's been useful. Let me know in a comment if there's anything I should cover. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.